Welcome, hospitality leaders. Let's dive right into this explainer. Today, we are unpacking a critical shift in hospitality strategy coming from AHLA HTNG. We are looking at a newly issued guide that offers a really forward-looking perspective on a part of the business we all touch every single day, but, maybe haven't fully optimized just yet.
So, the core mindset shift here is pretty straightforward. Payments, they are no longer just some back office utility or a basic cost of doing business. They have actually evolved into a strategic lever for commercial growth and guest loyalty. Think about it. They directly shape the guest experience and play a huge role in your overall revenue health.
And this shift is honestly so necessary because relying on disconnected legacy systems creates some real friction across the portfolio. Think about the everyday drag of fragmented data, those preventable costs, indefensible disputes, and of course, compliance exposure. Sure, these micro inefficiencies might seem manageable on their own, but over time they absolutely erode your margins and disrupt that seamless experience your guests are expecting.
Now, solving these friction points requires a totally new approach, one that is built on shared ownership. No single department can own payments entirely. It is just not possible anymore. Think about it. Finance owns the cost model, IT builds the architecture, operations manages the daily impact on the ground, legal defines the compliance, owners fund the program, and digital captures the revenue upside. A successful strategy absolutely relies on this cross-functional alliance working together.
To help you actually navigate this alliance, AHLA HTNG has introduced the Payment Optimization Playbook. You can think of this newly issued guide as a fantastic, forward-looking opportunity to sit down and review your current payment tools and processes. It basically provides a shared industry reference so all those different departments we just mentioned can finally speak the exact same language.
The business case laid out in the playbook centers around three primary value pools. We are talking efficiency gains, cost savings, and revenue capture. Now, we do not need to get bogged down in projecting specific outcomes right now. The reality is simply that incremental changes to payment processes can add up to meaningful impact over time.
And without getting into all the deep mechanics of how it all works right this second, just know the playbook is where all that critical detail lives. It contains really practical assets like a 10-domain readiness checklist, a detailed map of the 7-stage guest payment lifecycle, and operating model frameworks. All of this is designed to align your teams and guide predictable rollouts across literally any size portfolio.
Which leaves us with one critical question. With all these tools now available, are you ready to stop treating payments as just a cost center and start using them as a strategic capability? I highly encourage you to explore the playbook yourself. Gather up your cross-functional teams and use that readiness checklist to start this vital conversation inside your own organization today.